Welcome to Top Best Picks. The best glue scraper is probably one of the most underappreciated tools in a woodworker's arsenal, but it's absolutely essential for achieving a flawless finish. This seemingly simple tool is a game changer when it comes to removing excess glue, smoothing surfaces, and preparing your projects for that perfect coat of varnish or paint. In this video, we'll dive deep into the world of glue scrapers, exploring their different types, uses, and how to choose the perfect one for your woodworking needs. Number 5. CDIYTOOL Woodworking Mini Deburring Scraper. This mini scraper is perfect for woodworking. It's designed for quick deburring and glue removal, making your projects easier. The main body is made of durable aluminum alloy. This ensures the tool is wear-resistant and will last a long time. The blade is made of nanograde cemented carbide. It's incredibly hard and wear-resistant, ensuring a clean cut every time. Its small size makes it easy to carry in your tool pouch. This makes it a perfect and practical woodworking deburring tool. The four-sided carbide insert can be rotated or replaced. You never need to sharpen it again, saving you time and effort. This scraper is perfect for glue removing and auxiliary repairing. It delivers a finish quality cut in tight spaces regular scrapers and sandpaper can't reach. The scraper comes with a mini screwdriver. This allows you to easily detach or change the blade head. What we like. This scraper features a durable carbide insert, ensuring longevity and efficiency. Its portable design makes it easy to carry around. If you are looking for a tool that can handle quick deburring and glue removal in tight spaces, this is the one for you. What people say. This little scraper is good in small hard to get to places. Perfect for tight spot to remove unwanted material. Great to help remove glue for wood projects. Number 4. Tungsten Steel Carbide Paint Scraper. This scraper is perfect for removing paint, glue, and grout. It features a double-edged blade for extended use. This tool will make your projects easier. The tungsten steel blade is ideal for removing various materials. It can handle paint, glue, varnish, rust, and gaskets. This blade is built to last. The double-edged blade design ensures a longer lifespan. You can use both edges for scraping. This feature provides great value. The comfortable TPR handle and ergonomic design provide maximum comfort. It allows for extended use without fatigue. This design makes it easy to handle. This scraper works well on rough surfaces like floors, boards, and wood. It's a versatile tool for many projects. It is a great addition to your toolbox. Please remember to use caution due to the sharp blade. Always prioritize safety when using this tool. Handle it with care. What we like. This scraper boasts a double-edged tungsten steel blade for extended use. The ergonomic TPR handle provides maximum comfort during use. If you have rough surfaces like floors or boards to work on, this scraper is perfect for removing paint, glue, and more. What people say. Great little scraper, lightweight and easy to maneuver, grippy handle feels great and is nice for medium-small hands. Triangular head rotates easily with the built-in screwdriver tip inside the storage handle. Blade is hard, sharp, and removes heavy finishes easily. After 2 days of use removing poly finish from a large oak cabinet, the blade shows virtually zero wear or dulling. I bought the 2 scraper to go over large areas as a finishing pass to pick up spots of varnish that I may have missed using a monophore 1 scraper. Used it to remove multiple layers of paint of an old mantle. Worked way faster than sanding and the liquid stripper. Number 3. ROK Tools 6PC Cabinet Scraper Set. This is the ROK Tools 6PC Cabinet Scraper Set. It's designed for woodworking and preparing wood surfaces. It's a great tool to have in your workshop. This set removes tool marks and creates a silk-smooth finish. Unlike sanding, it shaves wood fibers. This leaves a much better surface. The scrapers are flexible yet durable and long-lasting. You can rely on them for many projects. They are built to last. The kit includes 6 different hand scrapers. There's a fine, medium, and heavy cutting scraper, plus a concave convex, gooseneck, and beveled edge scraper. Each one has a specific use. Remember, these cabinet scrapers require sharpening and burr creation before use. It's an easy skill to learn. The product may have a protective oil layer, so wipe it off before use. What we like. This set provides a silk-smooth finish, surpassing the results of sanding. It includes 6 different hand scrapers for various tasks. If you like achieving a professional finish and removing tool marks, this comprehensive set is ideal for preparing wood surfaces. What people say. Is a perfect set that can handle all scraping angles and shapes, to include really hard to get at annoying small areas. As a guy not exactly sure how to use them. They did exactly what I wanted out of the box. A great assortment of shapes. Number 2. DDWT 2-in-1 Mini Wood Scraper. This mini scraper is designed for woodworking tasks. It's perfect for removing glue and assisting with repairs in tight spaces that regular tools can't reach. The handle is made of aluminum alloy, making it lightweight and comfortable to hold. This durable design ensures it's easy to use for extended periods. It comes with both square and cambered blades to suit various needs. The blades are also replaceable, providing flexibility for different projects. The carbide insert can be rotated or replaced, eliminating the need for sharpening. This feature ensures the tool remains effective over time. The handle includes a hidden storage compartment for spare screws and inserts. This thoughtful design allows you to quickly find and store the necessary parts. This mini scraper delivers a high-quality finish in areas where regular scrapers and sandpaper are ineffective. It is the perfect tool for detailed work. What we like. This scraper features an ergonomic aluminum alloy handle for comfortable use. It comes with replaceable carbide inserts, eliminating the need for sharpening. If you are looking for a lightweight, user-friendly tool with convenient features like screw and insert storage, this is a great choice. What people say. Honestly, using a carbide insert for a glue scraper is a fantastic idea. It is perfect for glue lines. This one comes with both straight and cambered inserts, and built-in storage for the extra insert, so that is one heck of a value in comparison. Number 1. Kunz Glue Scraper. Introducing the Kunz Glue Scraper. This tool is designed to make your projects easier. It's perfect for anyone who works with wood or other materials. The scraper features a very strong fine-grade cast iron handle. This ensures a comfortable grip and provides the durability needed for tough jobs. It's built to last. The blade is sharpened on 2 sides. This allows for versatile use and efficient scraping. You can quickly clean up glued joints with ease. The blade is replaceable and can be resharpened. This extends the life of the tool and saves you money. It's a smart investment for any craftsman. It's also useful for paint scraping, log scraping, or distressing. This makes it a versatile tool for various projects. Get yours today and experience the difference. What we like. This scraper features a strong cast iron handle for durability. The blade is replaceable and can be resharpened, extending its lifespan. If you like a versatile tool that can handle glue cleanup, paint scraping, and more, you should consider this one. What people say. The scraper is a workhorse, but looks like a piece of art in the shop. It rips through the hardened Titebond 3 glue like butter. It is capable of creating shavings much like a sharp card scraper. It's super sharp, the edge retention has been excellent, and glue cleanup is easy to manage on both the workpiece and scraper itself. You can find the Amazon purchase link in the description below. Hope this video can be helpful to you. Thanks for watching.